Kind of half watching out of the corner of my eye. Oh, it's over. They're hugging on the field. Did the Colts survive the Patriots? I want to say I saw they were in a battle with them. Did they beat them? I think they did. Oh, nice, Nick. Yeah, verdict's still out. I can't say it's my favorite, but I'm also not going to say it's awful. Not that I think it's awful, but... Oh my god, the constant reload is amazing. Give me that crown! The constant reload is very, very nice. I even thought to myself, great, I'm gonna have to reload because I kept pressing. Someone else just shot. Oh, I see him. What's he trying to get over there? Got it. Why did I struggle so hard doing that? Now he's gone. Like, I didn't know I didn't hop in the car right away. So he's protecting the car, I take it. Bolts one. Nice. Went for 2-point conversion, 125-24. Nice. And that's huge because they're on they're in the playoff hunt, right? But are they like... Are they still a game or two out? Like, they needed that one. Like, I remember keeping an eye on it earlier in the day because I think they played at 1-2, like the Bengals. I was like, I saw they were down. I'm like, oh, if the Bengals win, the Colts lose, like, you know, any chance we had to get in the playoffs was down to other wild card teams losing. But once the Bengals lost, you know, I don't care who wins or loses because don't matter to the Bengals. They're out. Only 7 left. Look at that shit. Did you guys see that shit? Just hit it for 100. Doink, doink, doink. Hit scan, baby. There's a lot of action over here. A lot of 1x1s. I think there's somebody in that one. I actually rotated to the strong side of zone instead of dead side. I'm playing a little aggro here. Oh, I see him.